Hey, it's me. I've been watching some of my videos while I've been stuck in the house for 2 weeks and realized some of my videos are a tad bit boring. So I'm hoping this one won't be as boring, but it's going to be a shop tour. So I've been playing garage Tetris, you know, where you rearrange everything, trying to make it more functional. My garage is officially a 2-car garage, but it would be like small 2 cars. And as you saw with the opening of my garage, we got a golf cart and our life in here. So our cars don't actually park in the garage. So I have one section, half of it from my workshop / real life. So we're gonna go through it all and I'll kind of show you what I got. Okay, so a lot of the stuff you've seen before, but let's start with the first thing as you come in the door. Diet Coke, not wine, but everything's fancier in a wine glass. Okay, so my table saw. It's the Ryobi table saw I got at Home Depot. DIY Danie had it, and I saw it, and it had wheels on it, which made it so she could fold it up and put it away. And when you got a small garage house life, that works out well. So I have that table saw. I love it. I'm trying to figure out the zero clearance thingy for it, so I got to do that, but I do love it. On to the next. Really hoping you're hearing me through this microphone, because if not, we'll be doing all this again, which isn't probably a bad thing. So this is my not Makita. What the hell? Ryobi. It's the lime green. So, anywho, it's my miter saw. I had started out with the Cobalt, 7.5-inch one, which I actually loved. It just wasn't big enough for everything I needed to do. So I actually gave that to a friend of mine at work, and now they use it and they've started doing little projects. So, just keep it going. So anyways, this is the 10 or the 12? I don't know, but it'll do a 12-inch Southern Yellow Pine board. So that's what we know for sure. And above that is my clamps. Whoop. My clamps. Oh, and my ear protection, but my clamps. I do not have a crazy clamp collection. I know I need to get more clamps. I know. You can never have too many clamps. But you can have not enough square footage for too many clamps. So, and then below my miter saw, I've got my shop vac, which I use on this mostly because I tried using my table saw. I don't do crap. Random 5-gallon buckets, because doesn't everybody? And then that's a box fan, and I put the HIPAA filters on it. I made a video about it a while ago. So I'll have that set up. I try to get rid of some of the sawdust. Plus you'll notice I have both of these by the garage door to try to encourage everything to go out. Okay, and we're gonna keep moving down. Hold on. Okay. So this is my workbench. It's on casters and everything. This was actually one of my first legit shop projects. I was so proud of myself. There's a video on YouTube. It was make your first workbench for $100 or less or something. Excuse me, but it's great. It's 3/4 plywood and 2x4s, and then I got some wheels. It gave me so much confidence making my own. Okay, so so this is the first workbench I built. And then down below it, because there's storage everywhere, these are projects I'm almost done with. I'm just about done with. I'm in the process of doing. So I got cutting boards and ring bowls and cheese knives and passive speakers, and so there's a bunch of like random, almost done projects down there. Oh, I keep grabbing that side, and that's where the camera is. Like, freaking God, I'm never going to figure this out. Now, you know, if I was like 8, I would have this down packed. Okay, so up here, I got hookies, not hookers, that I just hang stuff on. It's mostly hammers, like my rubber mallets and stuff. And the catch-all for nail screws, random bolts, hinges, brad nails. Basically, if I can't figure out where it goes and it will fit in here, it goes in here. And then, well, I guess I really don't need to move it. You can kind of already see it. So, again, with this side, I need to use this hand. Okay. So then I've got my jigsaw, my drills, the attachments. Okay, so the green light's on, so I'm hoping that means it's still recording. I don't know. This is the drill press. Like 58 of you saw the video of me opening the drill press. Should I get closer? Here, come closer. Okay, so you're close. Okay, so this is my drill press. This is my, okay, you have to realize we only really have one outlet in here. So, and it's not on this wall. That'll be another part of the garage door. So this is my charging station, my 40, my sander, my brad nailer, cleaning stuff. So this is like my charging station, my breaker box. So when I pop the breakers, which I do actually quite often. Okay. Hold on. I'll show you my newest purchase. Yes. I'm so excited. It's like I'm a grown-up now. Hold on. Okay, are you ready? I got myself a DeWalt planer. I'm pretty sure this one's not going to catch fire. So, this will be like my planer station, and wow, oy vey. Okay, so see, it's on wheels. So my thought was, which I haven't checked 100%, but reading, I think I can. I was thinking with my jackery, take down the casters, take it out to the front lawn, and plane out in the front lawn, you know, on our walkway, so the shavings go into the grass, and run it off my jackery. So that's why I put it there on the casters, because it literally can just roll right out. Whereas my drill press can just stay put. Oh, ADD. Hold on. Oh, wow. Looking from this angle, it looks really messy. I swear, I've spent like 3 days cleaning this garage. But anyway, so we have my sawhorses, and then down below it are like extra shelf bracky thingies for the garage in case, because I'm always playing garage Tetris and trying to figure out how things go. And then next to it is a toolbox that a friend of mine gave me. She had been taking care of an elderly friend of hers, and when he passed, this was one of the things he had. So she gave it to me because she knew I did all that stuff. You're probably hearing my wash machine in the background, because that's another part. Ooh, I just realized, like, we have clothes, underclothes drying in here, so I need to make sure that those aren't in the picture. I will have a grumpy wife, but that's all right. So, hold on to the next. Anyways, but these two big cabinets I've had, and what I did was I moved them over here to make kind of a wall. Now, hold on, I'm going to try to readjust this. Okay, I'm back. The only reason I did that was because I wanted to show you. These were out of my Grampy's barn. Actually, I think that one was in my mom's cellar. That was in the, it used to be Grampy's workshop, but then it became like the tack room. Then it became like my mom's grain room. And then it came where she stored some of her animals because she was a crazy animal hoarder lady. But anyways, that's for another therapy session later. But so I have these two storage units. Oh, they're not really storage. They're cabinets, but you know what I mean. So I've started putting stuff in there. So this one, it really looks disorganized. You would not realize I spent like a whole day on these cabinets. So up here is tools, hand tools, like routers, the big router and the little router and the router pieces, and my skill saw. And it really is a skill saw. It's not just a circular saw, because when I first started, I assumed a skill saw was a skill saw. Blades, planer, because up until I got the DeWalt, this is the planer. This is an angle grinder thingy that scares the shit out of me. I've used it a couple times. I don't like it. And then putty stuff, glue stuff. Let me move you down. Oh, again, I'm grabbing that side. And I wonder too, I just got a text, so I wonder if it ticked. Okay, this is the blue tape that I used to tape my microphone on, which I'm gonna check. Yes, still a green light. Okay, so down here we got table saw thingies. I also put, oh, you know what? These need to go with drill press, because I got these for the drill press. And then dowel stuff, pocket screw stuff, respirator stuff. On the bottom, casters, because doesn't everyone have a bucket of random casters? So, hold that thought and close this up and move on to the next. Okay, so we're at the other cabinet now. And again, I had to stop for a second because the boy called. So I'm gonna check again to see if it's got that tick, 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 tick noise, besides the tick, tick, tick of my washing machine. So this other cabinet. Anything to do with painting is up here, and random painting stuff. Okay, so this is the paint stuff. Down here is electrical stuff. Also my wood burning thingy stuff, and work gloves, and a shop light. And then down below in the very bottom, which I don't think you can see it. I don't know if I can get it down that low. Damn it, with this hand thingy. My Lord. Okay, so those are like, I hate to say random shit, but it really is. Okay, so on the far right is like bungee cords and tie downs and leather tie downs and just shit to tie shit up with. This is all like picture hanging random stuff. This is flooring stuff and flooring stuff. So that's that cabinet. Isn't this riveting? Okay, so I put magnets on the side of the thingy. So like I have my level and my little saws and little screws, and that's the apron for the grandbabies, and then these are my work aprons. And also now that we have Scout here, she needs an apron. And then over here I have stuff to roast marshmallows and license plates and the Urdu hat. Hold on. Okay, so my neighbors just went by, so I had to take a break because they already think we're weird. Okay, so I spent like 4 hours today organizing wood. Wish I was lying. So this is all my hardwood stuff. So those are longer pieces. Those are like, oops, shorter pieces. Those are the pieces that I really should get rid of, but I won't. And then that's weight sleds, because if you're a sheriff's deputy, you have to actually pull like 150 pounds, like across the football field kind of thing, every year to show that you can, I guess, drag bodies. I don't know. So, and then firewood and paint. And then this is not a baby stroller. This is a cat stroller, pallet wood, garden stuff. And then there's speed buggy coming. So other than my washing machine stuff, this is the basic layout of my garage. It works. I'm very happy with it.